The Hudson River, a vital artery for commerce, culture, and connection. Every day, millions of people pass above it, but beneath its surface lies a hidden world. A century-old tunnel that's been the backbone of transportation for over 100 years. This tunnel, built in 1910, is now on borrowed time. With every passing train, the risk of failure grows. And if it fails, it won't just be a transportation crisis. It will be an economic disaster. But what does it take to rebuild a lifeline like this? And why is the Hudson Tunnel Project so critical to America's future? Today, we're telling the story of the Hudson Tunnel Project, a story of innovation, resilience, and what it takes to rebuild America's infrastructure for the future. Let's go back in time. The year is 1910. The Hudson Tunnel, also known as the North River Tunnel, is completed after years of hard labor. It's a marvel of engineering, connecting New Jersey and New York City through a pair of twin tubes beneath the Hudson River. At the time, it was a groundbreaking achievement. Workers dug through soft riverbed soil and faced immense challenges to create a tunnel that would serve as a vital link between two states. Over the decades, it became a lifeline in the Northeast Corridor, the busiest passenger rail line in the United States. Today, this corridor carries over 200,000 passengers daily. It's the backbone of transportation in the region, connecting commuters, families, and businesses. But as remarkable as the tunnel was, it was built for a different era. The infrastructure is now over a century old, and it's showing its age. Cracks, leaks, and corrosion have become the norm. The tunnel's electrical systems are outdated, and its walls are weakened by years of wear and tear. Then, in 2012, disaster struck. Superstorm Sandy brought the tunnel to its knees. Millions of gallons of seawater flooded the tubes, leaving behind lasting damage. The salt water corroded electrical systems, weakened the walls, and created an environment where every train passing through is a gamble. Engineers have worked tirelessly to keep the tunnel operational, but it's clear that a long-term solution is needed. The stakes couldn't be higher. If this tunnel were to fail, it would bring the entire Northeast Corridor to a standstill. The economic impact would be devastating, with billions of dollars in losses and chaos for commuters and businesses alike. That's why the Hudson Tunnel Project isn't just a construction project, it's a lifeline for the future. Before we dive into the groundbreaking solutions and incredible engineering behind this project, take a moment to support this channel. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who loves mega builds and engineering marvels. Your support helps us bring stories like this to life. Now, let's get back to the story. So, what's the solution? The Hudson Tunnel Project is part of the Gateway Program, the largest infrastructure initiative in the United States. The plan is ambitious. Build a brand new tunnel beneath the Hudson River, while simultaneously rehabilitating the existing one. This $16 billion project will double the train capacity, improve reliability, and ensure the long-term sustainability of rail travel between New York and New Jersey. But how do you build a tunnel beneath a river while keeping the trains running? The new tunnel will stretch 2.5 miles under the river, using cutting-edge technology and engineering expertise to overcome immense challenges. It's not just about digging a hole, it's about precision, safety, and efficiency. The project is being executed in phases to minimize disruption. First, the new tunnel will be built. Then, the old tunnel will be shut down for extensive rehabilitation. This phased approach ensures that commuters can keep moving while the work is underway. But the Hudson Tunnel Project isn't just about the trains. It's about creating a system that can withstand future challenges, from natural disasters to increasing demand for transportation. It's about building a legacy that will serve generations to come. Building a tunnel beneath a river isn't just digging a hole. Engineers must contend with soft riverbed soil, high water pressure, and the need to keep trains running during construction. It's a delicate balancing act. One of the biggest challenges is the soil. The Hudson River's riverbed is made up of soft silt and clay, which can shift and settle during construction. To overcome this, engineers used specialized tunnel boring machines, or TBMs, to dig through the earth. These machines are marvels of modern engineering, capable of carving through the soil with precision while installing concrete segments to line the tunnel walls. The TBMs are massive, weighing over 1,000 tons each. They operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, inching forward at a steady pace to meet the project's tight deadlines. Every inch of progress is carefully monitored, with engineers analyzing data in real time to ensure the tunnel remains stable and secure. But it's not just the soil that poses a challenge. The Hudson River itself presents unique obstacles. The water pressure at the depths of the tunnel is immense, and engineers must ensure that the construction process doesn't compromise the river's ecosystem or the safety of the workers. It's a high-stakes operation, but one that's driven by innovation and determination. Then there's the challenge of keeping the trains running. The existing tunnel is still in use, carrying thousands of passengers every day. Engineers must carefully coordinate construction schedules to minimize disruptions and ensure that commuters can continue to rely on the system during the project. It's a monumental task, but the team behind the Hudson Tunnel Project is up to the challenge. With cutting-edge technology, meticulous planning, and a commitment to excellence, they're turning this ambitious vision into a reality. Let's take a closer look at the star of this project, the tunnel boring machine. These mechanical titans are at the heart of the Hudson Tunnel Project. Imagine a machine the length of a football field, weighing over 1,000 tons, slowly carving its way through the earth. Tunnel boring machines, or TBMs, are designed to handle the unique challenges of digging under a river. The front of the machine, called the cutter head, is equipped with rotating discs that grind through soil, clay, and even rock. Behind the cutter head is a series of conveyor belts that transport the excavated material out of the tunnel. But the TBM doesn't just dig, it also builds. As it moves forward, it installs massive concrete segments to form the tunnel walls. These segments are precision engineered to fit together like pieces of a puzzle, creating a strong and stable structure that can withstand the immense pressure of the river above. Operating a TBM is no small feat. It's a complex process that requires a team of engineers, operators, and technicians working around the clock. Every movement is carefully planned and monitored, with sensors and cameras providing real-time data on the machine's progress. The TBM is more than just a machine. It's a symbol of human ingenuity and determination. It's a reminder that even the most daunting challenges can be overcome with the right tools and expertise. But this project isn't just about trains. It's about the future of American infrastructure. The Hudson Tunnel Project is creating thousands of jobs, from construction workers to engineers to support staff. It's injecting billions of dollars into the economy and paving the way for more efficient, sustainable transportation. By improving rail capacity, the project will reduce reliance on cars, cutting emissions and easing traffic congestion in one of the busiest regions of the country. It's a win for commuters, the environment, and the economy. The project is also setting a new standard for infrastructure development in the United States. It's a model for how we can rebuild and modernize our transportation systems to meet the demands of the 21st century. When complete, the Hudson Tunnel Project will transform the way people travel between New York and New Jersey. It will provide a reliable, efficient, and sustainable transportation option for millions of people, making it easier than ever to connect with the opportunities and experiences the region has to offer. As we look to the future, the Hudson Tunnel Project reminds us of the power of innovation, determination, and teamwork. It's a testament to what we can achieve when we invest in building a better tomorrow. This isn't just a tunnel, it's a lifeline, a legacy, and a symbol of progress for generations to come. If you're inspired by this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Join us next time as we explore more incredible projects reshaping our world.